Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's time for another handbag review. What gave it away? So this time I've got this really lovely white Gucci Dionysus. It's the small version. I am borrowing her again, which I'll talk about later in the video, but this video is not sponsored in any way. I borrowed her actually for a really epic wedding in Italy, where the first night I was wearing a white dress and the second night I was wearing a navy blue dress. So I feel like I picked well. So in this video, if you've not seen my handbag reviews, I'm gonna give you a full look, like the exterior and the interior of the bag. I'll show you what the bag fits inside, and I'll also show you what the bag looks like on me. And then I will wrap up the video by talking to you about if I would buy this bag. So if that sounds good, let's jump in to checking out this bag in a little more detail. So, okay, so first of all, please let me apologize for the light because it's the middle of the day in the UK, but it is torrentially downpouring and it's not gonna stop. And I've got to get this bag back tomorrow, so I'm sorry in advance. So I'm gonna do my best with the ring light on next to me to show you everything. So this is the bag. She looks a lot more crisp white on camera. I would say she's a bit more off-white. Maybe if we turn my ring light off for a second. I feel like this might be a little bit more accurate color-wise, but I'm not sure if the lighting is so great. Leave a comment down below and let me know. Do you prefer, it actually almost looks like more sunshiny now without the ring light versus the reality. Let me know what you prefer because I always love feedback. Okay, we'll turn it on more softly. All right, so this is the front of the bag. So you can see here, got the kind of beautiful serpent kind of, it's almost like a horseshoe kind of shape. And then you've got this really pretty like leather detail. The bag does have a chain strap that runs long. So to open the bag, you actually push this little button on the side. And I'm more so just doing that to bring the full strap out just to show you. And I will obviously show her on, but there's this very, shall we say, distinct, like thick, chunky chain strap. Kind of gives the bag a bit more like rock and roll edge, if you were to ask my opinion. The bag is just simple on the side. It's one of those that will, gonna drop it, expand depending on how much you fit inside the bag. It does stand on its own, like on the tabletop. And then the bottom is just like this. So you it can stand up on its own. And essentially with this strap, it's not adjustable. But I did find a hack at the wedding to make the strap shorter. So you essentially could like tuck the whole strap in and use the things in your bag to make the strap shorter if you want, which I thought was a cute hack. And you could essentially use the bag as a clutch because even if you pull, like what I was originally doing at the wedding, okay. So we take the strap, we pop her all the way in, cinch it in, and then essentially I was kind of holding her almost like a little top handle bag at the wedding. And then when I did want to put her on my shoulder, I just moved it a little bit, and some of the weight of my items, like my massive power bank, were able to keep the strap in place. So a little bit of a strap hack, but yeah, you can't really adjust it. Okay, so let's take a look on the inside of the bag. The inside of the bag is really simple. So you've just got like the Gucci logo in here. I don't know if that will focus on camera. There's a little kind of, it just says it's very, very fair. Gucci, made in Italy. There is another kind of Gucci tag in here. But essentially just pushing the bag open, there's no inside pockets in here. It's just one big square and it's canvas lined on the interior in like a beige shade. So not too much to see on the inside of the bag. But in a way, I actually really like bags that are like this because when the bag is more of like an accordion kind of style. I don't know if that's an official term, but that's my official term for it. I find that it's harder to fit things. And with this is like a nice rectangular space. So when we think about what the bag fits, I've got my huge power bank, but you know, weddings, we gotta create content. This wedding had an incredible performance by a famous singer, and the bride pulled me aside ahead of time to let me know, to say, please get some video footage for me to share on social media. Not for me, for her. I mean, when I said, you know, she pulled me aside for her to capture content for her, which of course, I love a job like that at a wedding. Okay, so cord for the power bank. Today I am wearing the Revolution Pout Bomb. This is the plumping lip gloss in Kiss Nude. Cute. And then we also have, we can fit either my big wallet, but to be honest, I probably would recommend with this bag, you probably can either fit a big wallet and a power bank, or a card wallet, a power bank in your phone. So because we're doing that, let's gotta unplug my phone from the charger below us. And then if we pop this in here, you can see the bag super easily fits my massive power bank, my card wallet. I could easily pop my house keys in, my earbuds. So it really does, like, or even, I've actually even got sunglasses. So if I wanted to throw my sunglasses in, I could still really easily fit my my house keys and my earbuds in here. So that's pretty darn good. And then it all snaps in. And I have to say, I really like this secure snap here because I think it's great for anti-theft. All right, so next up, let me show you what the bag looks like on. All right, so I've been trying to film these in my living room just because I feel like my hallway is so dark. So let me show you what the bag looks like on, and I will come a little closer to the camera. So I am, just for reference, 5'7.5". And the bag hits me like, my hip is right here. The bag hits me kind of like upper thigh, so you can very easily wear it on your shoulder like this. It's also very easy to wear kind of crossbody, and then that kind of hits more at the waistband of my jeans. So I'll move in a little bit closer just to show you. And forgive me, I'm in like trying to be comfy chic today because it's freezing in London. So yeah, that's what the bag looks like crossbody on. And then here's what the bag looks like on the shoulder. So you can see, forgive my unflattering tuck there, but yeah, she's a very nice like daytime bag or nighttime bag. And then the hack that I had is if you start to tuck this strap in a bit with your things in the bag, you can shorten it. So like, for example, if I wanted to do that, I might need to fiddle around a bit, but if you put your heavy items on the bag, then you can wear her as a shoulder bag, and you can play around with what drop length works for you, which I think was a nice little discovery in terms of more versatility for the bag. Okay, so what's my honest opinion of the bag? So as mentioned, I've only had the bag for probably maybe about a week now because I borrowed her to bring her to the wedding in Italy. I was looking for something that was like white or navy blue or white and blue, and this bag seemed to tick off most of the boxes. So what I would say is, from a size perspective, she was really great at the wedding because I could fit my power bank and my phone and my sunglasses and my lip stuff. It was really everything that, in my card wallet as well. So everything I really needed for being out for quite a few hours with the rehearsal dinner or with the wedding. So that was great. The only thing I have to say I didn't like about the bag is this chain strap. I just felt, because I had two very different looks, and I feel like this chain strap is very specific. So I felt like it was a little too edgy for what I was really hoping for. I would have much rather had a more muted strap, but that's just a personal preference. So I didn't really love it, but as mentioned, I did find a way to use the strap almost as a top handle and then shorten it a bit. But yeah, it just wasn't my favorite strap. But what I would say, would I buy this bag again? Probably not this exact color combination, but this type of bag from Gucci comes in so many different colors and hardwares that I think for the size of it and the usefulness, this would be a great asset to my collection. But I would probably look for something a little bit more classic and not so statement with both the bag color and the strap would be my opinion there. So where am I borrowing this bag from? So I borrow my handbags from Cocoon Club in London. It's a luxury handbag rental service. I do the most premium tier of membership. This is not sponsored in any way. I'm a paying customer. I just love getting to try handbags for this exact reason. It's like you see something that you think is cute, you get to use it for a week, a couple weeks, a month, and you really get to see, would this be a bag if I want to buy or not. So I will leave Cocoon Club link down below. I don't know if this is like a new in bag or not, but I will see what I can find online and leave it linked down below. And if you have any questions at all, please leave a comment and let me know. Or do you own this bag? Do you own this bag in other colors? Let me know what you think about it. Sharing is always caring here on this channel. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, please hit that like button. And if you want to see all of my travel and lifestyle videos and other handbag reviews, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please join me on this wonderful YouTube journey. So thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you soon.